Friday, we don't have class, it's a good day. So thrift adventure because no school.
Adventures with Andrew.
Yay! Okay, anyways, we are going to the Goodwill bins right now, and I am looking for a white hoodie, white snow boots. I got like a cute outfit in mind. I need a crew neck sweatshirt. Then we're looking for stuff for Yikes Vintage as well. So stay tuned to see what we find. We have arrived. Okay, guys, look what we just found.
Acne Studios. This is so cute.
What? Oh, that is really cute.
Have a fake Gucci moment.
What is this? I like the color.
I'm still getting it.
We are getting major Life with Mac vibes.
Should we do an ASMR? We'd love to do a haul.
Yeah. Okay, guys, look at these. So freaking cute.
Mommy for your mommy with the patch.
Yeah, that is so cute. So we are finding a lot of good stuff. We're gonna do a big haul when we get back.
I don't think you're gonna switch the bins.
I don't think I'm allowed to record, so that's why I'm like being careful. We just left. We got upgraded to that Uber Black. Yes. Okay. We got a ton of stuff. So we are doing a haul. Oh wait, should this be like the thumbnail? Look at this. Oh yeah. So we got this Gucci bag. Yeah, it's fake. It's okay. We love a fake Gucci moment.
Cute with it.
We're thinking sneakers, coasters, like Gucci
I literally think coasters is the best.
That's so freaking cute.
Because you can make a bunch.
Here, you can have half and I'll have half. Also, Andrew found this Acne Studio sweatshirt.
And it's such a good color.
He wants it, but it doesn't fit him, so oh yeah, we also got this Scotch and soda. Little bomber jacket.
They retail for about $150, so if you want to cop a good deal.
Also, I thrifted this the other day, and it's very off-brand for me. Okay, hold on.
Look at my hair. Ew, look at my hair.
I don't.
It's so greasy. I need to.
So is mine. That's why I'm wearing this. See, but this is literally just like a plain orange sweatshirt.
So good. Oh my God.
It's literally so plain, but like, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, this is mine for a few days and then I'll sell it on Yikes. So if you want to cop that Acne for an amazing deal, hit my line in the comments below.
So then this is a vintage Hard Rock Cafe t-shirt. Super cool graphic.
Okay, then we picked up a pair of Nike just track pants.
They're white, very good condition. This is like very Brandy Melville-ish.
Yeah, it's literally just like a quarter
pale
zip.
Yellow quarter zip, good quality.
Then I just picked up this sweater vest. I really liked the orange color. I picked up this other sweater vest. This is Chaps with the little logo. It's like cable knit. I'm putting that in I'll do like the like censored thing, yeah. Okay.
Underwear. It matches the Acne. Wait, this is a sign. This is the story, listen. So last night, I got these new underwear from Amazon. They're Calvin Klein's. I'm out of breath. And they're orange, and because orange is my favorite color. Peep, I know I'm wearing underwear in the studio. I was just changing my pants, but like, see, they're these bright orange Calvin Klein's, and they're super cool because I'm obsessed with those. And it's the perfect burnt orange. So then, on the way to the thrift, we're talking about the Acne Studios Kanken bags that are like that color orange. And then, what do you know? We find this Acne Studios sweatshirt that is that color orange. So there's something in the air.
Then we just picked up this 1997 US Open t-shirt. I picked up these Calvin Klein shorts. I feel like they're gonna be super cute, high-waisted. I'm going to Florida soon, so I can wear them then, but otherwise it's kind of too cold for that in New York. I picked up this silky top. I don't even know what it has on it. Cars. Oh, it has cars on it. It's really cute. I might wear that for Florida too, and then sell it. Okay, we were getting very Chanel vibes from this skirt.
Picnic girl.
So.
You should try it on.
I know, right? I'll try it on.
After.
We got this plaid bucket hat. These green.
Corduroy.
No, it's like velvet.
It's like a crushed velvet.
Yeah, okay.
Crushed corduroy velvet.
I'm not sure if these will fit me, but we could sell those. These look like super baggy, but then like cinched at the waist. So I thought that would be cool with like a really tight top. Then I just picked up this for myself. It was just a navy jumpsuit. It's from Gap, but I thought it was cool. And like this will be good for winter because I can wear like tights and like a turtleneck underneath if it's cold. You do that in all my videos, I feel. Okay, and then these are Tommy shorts. Wait, that just went in my mouth.
Ew. She just ate some thrift dust.
Anyways.
It's okay, you've probably eaten worse, to be honest. Just breathing in New York air.
Yeah, but these are so cute, so we're gonna be selling these on Depop. We picked up this bag.
Could it be worn as a backpack?
Maybe, like that. But this bag we picked up.
I feel like
it's like
it could be
suede.
if you had a chain.
It's suede. Yeah, we could do something with this. But like the strap goes through this, and then you like open it up. We just picked up this little fanny pack. It just has
Thigh gear.
Yeah, bi gear or like big gear. I don't know. And then I picked up these, which I was like, oh, I don't know, because I don't know if they'll fit. But they're just diesel black pants for myself.
Diesel.
And then I got this.
That sounds so good.
Then I picked up this. I don't know.
It's
I
like,
kind of think it's a lot.
It's like modern mom wants to go to the grocery store.
Yeah, it's like a grocery
reasonable
store
bag, but wants to be cute.
But it's cute. I'm totally gonna wear it. I like the color. Thank you guys so much for watching.
So, thank you so much for watching. Give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and we'll see you guys in the next video. I said that also perfectly.
That was perfect. I just couldn't keep up. If you need a translation from that, please subscribe to my channel. Give this video a thumbs up, comment below, hit that notification bell, and follow us on Instagram.
Goodbye.